If you want to find out how to get this beautiful blonde bob look from Luvme Hair, just keep on watching.
Yeah, bad girl that. She just dance and tease. You go like the Highland breeze. You know where you want.
Alright, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, you guys. So this review is from Luvme Hair, and it is a blonde bob, and I'm really excited to see how it looks because I haven't had a blonde bob in a very long time. So I take it out of the bag and already I see it's already pre-cut, it's pre-styled, pre-everything. And you can see the minimal amount of lace inside, so it's easy to work with. There are combs and an adjustable band to make it nice and snug on your head and to make it glueless. So I'm just gonna put it on my head right from the box so you can see exactly how it looks. As you can see, it's a nice straight short bob closure, and yeah, like it gives a lot of space. Obviously the lace is not matching my skin tone yet, but there's an easy fix to that. I take my bronzer and I take a flat brush and then I put it all over the lace. Well, I put the bronzer on the flat brush and then you'll see that I put it all over the lace so that it gives a nice coming from scalp effect. So as you can see, I'm just doing that. You don't want to put too much, but you don't want to put too little. So yeah, just like that. And then I'm going to put it on top of my head so that you could see how it looks. And already you can see that it is nicely blended. Yes, there is that little bit of like you can still see the lace a little bit on closer to the middle, but that's okay. We're just gonna adjust the hair. You can do baby hairs with this and everything. I personally don't want to do baby hairs, so I'm just leaving it like this. And you guys, I'm doing a complete glueless type of method, and you can see the hair is so soft. It is so soft. There's minimal shedding, which I really like. And this is the back of the hair. This is how it looks when I shake it around. You can see it's really good quality hair. Alright, so you can leave it like this if you want, but I'm gonna try to like do a little bit of curl with it, like very minimal curl with it.
Can you weather the storm? I'm starting to.
And also one thing about this hair, to keep it nice and straight or to keep it just tamed down, all you have to do is add some serum to it, like some heat protecting serum or anything like that, and it will have the hair looking just nice and staying exactly where you want it.
Perfect, but I know I'm worth it working out my issues with you.
Alright guys, so when I'm done, it is giving, like, this is so cute. It's like a cute, sexy type of look. I really like it. It's giving like Faith Evans back in the days. I really like this look, you guys. And you see how I did. I just put some of the hair behind my ear just to make it look more natural. And you can definitely do that with your own also if you don't want to gel it down or do any baby hairs. But yeah, I am absolutely loving this look, you guys. And honestly, this video is not long at all because you don't have to do much to this hair at all. Like, it just looks amazing. And what I'll do too is so in the after this, like, I definitely put a little bit more of the bronzer so you wouldn't see the lace. But what you can do also is you can add some of the hair and just put it more in the front. You can mix it up, you can make it more curly, do whatever you want with it. This hair is absolutely beautiful. Just look at that. That is one cute sexy bob. If you have any questions, just let me know. Shout out to Luvme Hair for sponsoring this video and this wig. And this is a few days later. I just wanted to show you guys how amazing it still looks. I didn't take it off my head, literally only to, you know, take a shower or whatever. But yeah, and it's completely glueless, and I just put it on and off. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.